Hi there, this is Zen Programmer. I help businesses unlock new revenue streams and save costs by using data science and AI. I specialize in Salesforce solutions and custom modeling. Today, we're going to explore how data science can help us predict whether a customer will renew their car insurance policy. This presentation will cover the problem we're addressing, the data and methods we used, and how our model could help improve customer retention. We used Python, Panda, and other data science tools to build up and visualize the models. To keep the presentation simple, we will not go into technical details of the programming. Let's start with why predicting renewals matters. High customer churn, or losing customers, directly impacts revenue. It's actually cheaper to keep existing customers than to attract new ones. By predicting renewals, we can target marketing to at-risk customers, increasing their likelihood of staying with us. To make these predictions, we pulled data from several sources, including customer details, transaction records, and even economic indicators. Key factors include customer demographics, policy information, engagement metrics like claims and website visits, and behavioral data like payment history. All of these help us build a clearer picture of who's likely to renew. Data preprocessing is an essential step in getting the information ready for our model. We cleaned up missing values, created new features like claim ratio, and converted categorical data like gender and marital status into numeric formats. This makes it easier for the model to learn from our data. In our exploratory analysis, we found interesting trends. For instance, customers with no claims in the past year tend to renew at higher rates, while those with late payments are less likely to renew. We also saw that longer policy durations are linked to higher renewal rates. These insights help us understand the factors behind customer decisions. To ensure our model's accuracy, we split the data into training and testing sets, with 70% for training and 30% for testing. This allows us to test how well the model performs on data it hasn't seen before. We experimented with different models, like logistic regression, random forest, and XGBoost. Logistic regression is simple and easy to interpret, while random forest and XGBoost handle more complex relationships in the data. Logistic regression was chosen for its interpretability, making it easier to explain results to stakeholders. Now that we have our model, we focused on building it to predict our target variable, whether a policy is renewed. The model uses various features like age, gender, policy duration, and payment history, all of which can influence renewal decisions. To evaluate the model, we looked at metrics like accuracy, precision, and recall. We also used the AUC-ROC curve, which measures the model's ability to distinguish between customers who renew and those who don't. This curve gives a visual of the model's predictive power. Here's the ROC curve, showing the trade-off between true positives and false positives. This is a sample graph. As for demonstration purposes, we do not have too much data to work with. Ideally, a high AUC score above 0.5 indicates a good model. Anything below 0.5 suggests room for improvement, as this is slightly worse than random guessing. To improve our model, we'd focus on data quantity, quality, advanced features, and algorithms. Issues like missing values or data imbalance may have impacted performance. To wrap up, we've shown that data science can help predict customer renewals, allowing us to focus on retaining at-risk customers. Moving forward, we'll test the model with new data, integrate it into our CRM for real-time predictions, and build targeted marketing campaigns based on the output. That's all for now. I will see you next time.